We want to do a science fiction serial. Legitimate stuff, though. No tin robots or BEMs.
BEMs?
Bug-eyed monsters. You know, mutations and death rays and brains in a glass jar, that kind of crap. It's going to run all year long. So, good-looking guy, good-looking gal, a kid who gets herself into all kinds of trouble, plus an older man, quirky. I'll come back to him. They travel about space and time, getting into scrapes.
That's a lovely idea.
You know me, pop, pop, pop. We want history, too. Proper history. The kids at home should learn something.
And what about the other man, the quirky character?
He's a doctor.
A doctor?
Mm-hmm. He should be a doctor, don't you think? Makes him an authority figure. Sort of kind of reassuring. So, what do you think?
Look, Sydney, I would love to work with you again. Really, I would. It's just... I gave myself a year. Get on in TV or get out.
Hey. I don't want you to be my assistant again, kid. I want you to produce it.
Produce it?
Sure. They've never had a female producer here. Sit down. You're just what this place needs. Someone with piss and vinegar in their veins.
Thanks. I think.
I did a show called Pathfinders for ITV. You see it? We had an old guy as the hero. Grumpy old guy. That's what we want here.